This one is very close to my heart kasi we've actually gone through several processes nung pag-apply ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Actually, I have 4 properties na bahay. 3 of them are through Pag-ibig. So, a lot of the process though is through our agent. But right now, I started being a real estate agent na rin. So, I'll link my channel about real estate dito sa description box below and then put sa cards para makita nyo siya if you're interested to purchase a house. Pero on this video, we wanna focus dun sa paano ba talaga? How do you apply for a housing loan? I can't really discuss everything on this video, pero this is an overview to give you an idea of the major steps. Low to middle income Filipino, you can definitely afford and buy your own house. So yung Pag-ibig, of course, is government mandated and it's popularly known as Pag-ibig Fund. So usually, mas affordable yung loan through Pag-ibig compared to bank or other financing options. It has lower interest rates and usually lower monthly amortization.